Hi guys, my name is Gindrawan. In this video, I will review a novel. The title of novel is The Maze Runner. The author is James Dashner. This novel is fiction. The number of pages is 384 pages. This difficulty book is 4. I will tell you about three settings in this novel. The first is setting location. That's labyrinth, large grassy area, underground elevator, desert wasteland, ruined city, and glade. The second is setting mood. That's sadness, confused, and horrible. The last is second time. That's during the day, the next day, next morning, at night, at dawn. Next, I will tell you about the character and plot or idea or explanation. This novel tells about the Glider effort to find a way out the mess. The Glider are a team of boys and one woman living in a place called Glade, with the main character named Thomas. Thomas is a kind, brave, thought, loyal friend and courageous person. Thomas was able to quickly adapt and learn what the inhabitants of the glade were doing. His presence in the glade brings about a big change. Since the second is Minho. Since the beginning, Minho character was deliberately made mysterious, seen in several early scenes. Minho was just silent with an expression observing Thomas. This made Minho character was seem mysterious. Originally, Minho character was smart, fast, a little angry, and loyal to his friend. After 3 years at Glade, Minho has the role of chairman of the runner who enters the maze and knows what is in the maze. The third character is Teresa. Teresa is the only one woman in the glade and become the last glider. The first time she came to the glade, she only remembered her name. Teresa was kind, patient, and steadfast in her stand. Not only that, Teresa was agile in taking stands. He burned a creeper that is chasing him and injects the antidote into RB, while everyone is scared and panic. Actually, Teresa present seemed to be Thomas' companion. The flow used by James Dashner is very simple. Namely, the forward flow. There is really a backward plot in the series. In addition, a simple plot game allows readers to easily understand and follow the story. In my opinion, the plot of the story from chapter to chapter is always packed with tense endings so that even until the book runs out, it feels like there is no pause to the reader to feel relaxed. James was quite an expert and constructing scenes that will drain adrenaline. This makes the book version much better than the film version. For the first series, the Maze Runner raised a lot of questions that are slowly answered along the storyline, making the everyone who live in the glade. Only important characters have names to keep the story focused. In addition, Glider, the name for the people who live in the glade, has some story that will make readers get used to it after a few chapters. It's a plus for this novel. In conclusion, this novel is still fun to read because there are many mysteries and puzzles there even though it doesn't really stand out from the novel of the same game. I think the best about the book is because the novel is very interesting. It goes in a way that is not too slow. The characters are apparently named after scientists. The plot is good, easy to understand, although the tension that is present tends to be casual in my opinion. But the story is not easy to predict even though I watched the film first and then read the novel. The weakness of this novel is in inability to portray story from a point of view other than Thomas. For example, for creature, and this is what distinguishes other fantasy story better. I read this book is 4 star. It's mean a great book. Thank you. Enjoy.